Hello everyone, this is Hemalata, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today in this video, we are going to see about the solar radiation types and how it will be measured. Solar radiation is the called as the solar resources or just as sunlight is a general term for the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the sun. Solar radiation can be captured and turned into useful forms of energy such as heat and electricity using a variety of technologies. However, the technical feasibility and economical operation of these technologies at a specific location depends upon the available solar resources. It the measure to measure the amount of sunlight falling on the specific locations at different types of the year. Estimate the amount of sunlight falling on the regions on the same latitude with similar climate. Measurement of solar energy are typically expressed as a total radiation on a horizontal surface or as a total radiation on a surface tracking the sun. Radiation data for solar electric photovoltaic system are often represented as kilowatt hours per square meter. Direct estimates of solar energy may also be expressed as watts per meter square. The energy radiation from the sun can be estimated as a electromagnetic waves reaching the planet Earth in three spectral regions. Ultraviolet radiation is a component of solar radiation with wavelengths shorter than visible light ranging from 100 to 400 nanometer. The characteristic is UV radiation is responsible for effects such as sunburn and has important implication for health and materials. The measurement of this UV is by UV radiometers or sensor that detects specific UV wavelength ranges. And infrared radiation is a component of solar radiation with a wavelength longer than visible light ranging from 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. The characteristic it is responsible for heat transfer and influences the energy balance. It is not directly visible but can be felt as a warmth. Measuring is by using radiometers or a sensor that detect IR wavelength. Then direct radiation is the solar radiation that reaches the surface of the earth without any interruption. Diffused radiation is the sunlight passes through the atmosphere, scattering process will occur and it will reaches the earth surface. Global solar radiation is the diffused and direct solar radiation is called global. These are the diagrammatic representation which represent the direct, diffused and total global solar radiation. Measurement is by pyranometer, pyrheliometer and sunshine recorder. Pyrheliometer Pyranometer is to measure the global solar radiation by detecting both direct and diffuse solar energy reaching a surface. It features equipped with sensing element, often a thermophile covered with a dome to capture the radiation from all angles. This is the design of the pyranometer. It consisting of a thermophile, glass dome and the disc. Thermophile which converts the solar energy into the electrical energy, which will measures the sun's resources. And the glass dome it will protect the thermophile sensor from rain and wind. Disk is used to measure the radiation of blocking wind and diffused radiation. And pyranometer types is the thermophile pyranometer and photodiode. Thermophile which uses the thermophile sensor, and the photodiode which is known as silica pyranometer which used to detect the segment of the solar segment. And pyroheliometer is the It measures the direct solar radiation. Pyroheliometer measures the direct solar radiation by focusing sunlight onto a sensor that detects the intensity of the direct sunlight. Features includes the colorimeter to narrow a field of view and thermophile or photovoltaic cell. And radiometer is to measure the various type of solar radiation including UV, IR by using sensor tuned to a specific wavelength ranges. May include the multiple sensor or filters to detect the different types of radiation. Sunshine recorder it is measure the duration of the bright sunlight at a location by recording the time that sunlight shines on a specific area. Uses a glass sphere to focus sunlight onto a calibrated chart or paper which records the duration of sunshine. On the whole, which will road solar radiation it is a crucial component of the earth's energy system, and it is categorized into direct, diffuse, reflected, UV and IR radiation. Accurate measurement of solar radiation using various instruments is essential for application in solar energy, climatic science and environmental monitoring. Thank you.